Next question, case number 4. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shape field is 24 meter and perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. So diagonal of quadrilateral. So first of all, draw one quadrilateral A, B, C, D and diagonal. So I am representing it as BD. If the figure is given in the question, then it's okay. Otherwise, you have to draw the figure. Okay. So you can represent any of this diagonal. It has 24. So I am representing here it as BD. BD is equal to 24 and the perpendiculars dropped on it. So on this diagonal, the perpendiculars you should draw from the another two ends. Okay. So from the point A and C, we should draw two perpendiculars to the line BD. One perpendicular, second perpendicular. So the length of these two perpendiculars are given 8 meter and 13. So you can represent either it is 8 and or it is 8. So I am representing here it is 8 and this is 13 meter. Okay. So you have to find out the quadrilateral area. So you have one equation which have the diagonal length and two perpendicular lines. That is area of quadrilateral AB. A quadrilateral is equal to half D into H1 plus H2. D is the diagonal, H1, H2 are the perpendicular lines, right? So substitute all these value. D is equal to 24, H1 is equal to 13 and H2 is equal to 8. You can take it like this. Okay. Next substitute this D, H1, H2 values here. 24, 13 and 8. Next normal calculation, you will get the total area is equal to 252 meter square. Okay. Next case number 5, the diagonal of a rhombus. So next is the rhombus shape. Diagonal is given 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. Very easy question. So if two diagonals of rhombus are given, then what is the equation for finding area of rhombus? Half d1 d2. Half into product of diagonal. So half into d1 into d2. d1 you can take it as first diagonal 7.5 centimeter. d2 you can take it as second diagonal 12 centimeter. So substitute these values. Half into d1 7.5. So half into 7.5 into next 12. Next cancelling 12 and 2 you will get 6. 7.5 into 6 you will get 45 is the area of this rhombus. 45 centimeter square is the final answer. Okay. Next case number 6. Case number 6. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 6 centimeter and whose altitude is 4 centimeter if one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter long. Find the length of the other diagonal. So two diagonals are not given, only one diagonal given and its side, one side is given. Side means all the sides are equal and whose altitude also is given, that is 4 centimeter. We have to find out the area of the find the length of the other diagonal and also find the area of the rhombus also. Okay. So how can we take? Let the length of the other diagonal of the rhombus be x. Two diagonals are there, one diagonal is given and the another one is not given. So I am assuming that the second diagonal is x. Okay. So a rhombus is a special case of a parallelogram, right? Rhombus means all the sides are equal only, but actually it is parallelogram only. So I am applying the area of parallelogram here. Area of parallelogram, you know that base into height. Okay. So how can we get base into height? Base and height which is given here 6 and this 4. Okay. One side you can take it as base and altitude means height. So base and height which is given. So I am applying those values here. Base into height. 6 into 4 is equal to 24 centimeters square. Okay. So now you got area of parallelogram is equal to 24 centimeters square. Next we have to find out the another diagonal. Area of parallelogram means special case of a rhombus is the special case of parallelogram only. So area of rhombus should be equal to this 24, same only. So now we got area of rhombus. Next I am applying the equation, this value in the equation half d1 d2, because we have one diagonal, we have to find the another diagonal. That is the equation for finding area of rhombus. But now we got area of rhombus is equal to 24, right? So I am applying half d1 d2 is equal to what? 24. And one diagonal which is given in the question 8 and the another one we have to find. So instead of d1 we can write 8. and d2 we have to find. So half into d1 into d2 is equal to this 24. Half into 8 into d2 is equal to 24. We have to find d2 from this equation. This 2 and 8 we can cancel. 4 d2 is equal to 24. Then d2 is equal to this 24 divided by 4. We will get, which is equal to 6. So what is d2? Second diagonal. So second diagonal of rhombus is equal to 6 centimeter is the final answer. Okay.